I'm going to show you the Volkswagen 2010cc that we got for pretty cheap. It was the tensioner that was bad with the chain, timing chain. We fixed that, but the engine had major problems after that. So we found a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta that was wrecked, and it had the engine with 69,000 miles on it. So I'm going to show you guys this footage right here real quick what we did. Yo, what up? What up, guys? Yo, let's check out this Volkswagen we just got. We just put the engine back on, and it's running. It's good. It's so good. Oh man, you know that feeling when like that feeling when shit works. So after all the fluid changes, headliner replacements, Volkswagen tools, time, labor, some nice detailing inside and out, it came out to be about $3K. Yeah, it is a damn good price for this car. 2010, 2.0 turbo, 4-cylinder. So you're not wasting a lot of gas, and as soon as you press that pedal, you're gonna feel that little turbo kick in real good. It's a very cool car, and my dad's first Volkswagen to work on. He definitely loves his Volkswagens. We got this car. It's going to be a present for my mom. And thing is, she likes SUVs, so we don't know if she's going to like this car. But if she doesn't, I'm always here to take care of this baby. Right, also in other news, me and my friend have this music project going on right now. It's called Sunset Soldiers. So go check it out at soundcloud.com. It's Sunset Soldiers. And just give it a little like, give it a little listen. It's free, you know what I'm saying? And you, oh shit, yeah.
Antes te quería pero ya no. Típica chica de pleno. Siempre en Instagram con el culo pelado. Culo pelado.